Namaskar students. This video for class 10th, lesson number 2, Culture Heritage of India, Handicrafts, Fine Arts. In previous video we have studied about what is the culture heritage of India and the clay work. In this video we will study the art of weaving and the art of embroidery of our ancient India. Dear students, all of you know the art of making the long threads from the cotton balls, and this art is very famous. The Mahatma Gandhi ji has also used these types of the art to make a great movement of our freedom struggle, and he achieved the Swaraj by doing these types of the activities, the weaving activity. So this activity is the famous from our ancient times also. Our art and artisans also have very skillful knowledge regarding about these types of the spinning and these types of the weaving work. महात्मा गांधी जी को आपने इस प्रकार से रेडियो चलाते हुए देखा होगा. उन्होंने क्रांति की शुरुआत हमारे देश में इस प्रकार से की थी आजादी के लिए. लेकिन ये हमारी जो कला है, ये हमारा जो आर्ट है, द विविंग आर्ट, वो हमारा हजारों साल पुराना ये हमारा जो है वो एक जो कला है वो धीरे धीरे आर्ट और विविंग एंड स्पिनिंग इंडस्ट्रीज बन के आज उभर रहा है. सो इन दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज दैट इज द हैंड विविंग, द इंडियाज द कल्चरल हेरिटेज, द इंडियाज हैंड विविंग, स्पिनिंग एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी, दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द वर्क is very famous in the ancient times till to the today also, the hand weaving work. And you have also studied in the 7 and 8 standard, that is one kind of, that is a very silk cloth, that is a muslin cloth of Dhaka. And that types of the muslin cloth of the Dhaka, the one taka of this muslin cloth can pass from a single ring. That kind of the soft and that kind of the material the cloth has, the Indian cloth has. वो कपड़े का एक ताका जो जिसको बोलते हैं, जितना बड़ा वो ताका, जैसे 1 मीटर का या तो 1.5 मीटर का, जो भी वो ताका जो होता है, वो पूरा कपड़े का जो ताका है वो एक स्मॉल सिंगल जो अंगूठी के अंदर से पूरा कपड़ा पास हो सकता है. दैट टाइप्स ऑफ द मटेरियल, द क्लोथ मटेरियल द इंडिया हैज. एंड this cloth is, if we fold this material, this cloth, it could be a fixed a small match box. एक मैच बॉक्स के अंदर फिट हो जाए, इतना वो कपड़ा सॉफ्ट और इतना वो क्वालिटी वाला है. दैट टाइप्स ऑफ द मटेरियल, दैट टाइप्स ऑफ द मुस्लिम क्लोथ्स इज फाउंड इन आवर इंडियन कंट्री, इन आवर कल्चर हेरिटेज. द कारपेट, द गालीचा, द knitting वर्क ऑफ आवर इंडिया, the artistry work of our India, this kind of the work are very famous of Indian culture. So you all of you know, in our Gujarat, the patola of Patan is also very famous. Kanjivaram and Banarasi sari of India is also very famous. Bandhani of the Rajasthan, this also famous. The Bandhani of Rajasthan is also famous in all over the India also. In Gujarat history, the one period, there is an ancient Gujarat. If you we study the Gujarat history, the ancient Gujarat history, and in that history one era has come, and that is called the Solanki dynasty. And in Solanki dynasty one king was there, the Siddharaj Jaisi, and that era was considered as the golden period of the ancient Gujarat era. So in that era, the many artisans and many weavers came over here. The Patan was the capital of the Gujarat in the ancient times. So all the weavers and all the artisans came over here in the Patan, settled there, and created the very interesting and very skillful art, that is the patola, world famous patola art. And this art is 805 years old. That is art of our Gujarat. 850 years old, the patola work of Gujarat. Now only the handful weavers and the workers remaining there. अभी बहुत ही कम लोग वहां पे बचे हैं. धीरे धीरे ये जो है डिक्लाइन स्टेज पर है. बट हाउएवर दिस आर्ट इज ऑल्सो लाइव टुडे, द पटोला ऑफ पाटन. And that types of the art, the silkware is made. It is also called the weaved ict. Ict means weaving, and that types of the cloth can be wore either the side. It can be wore the either side. दोनों तरीके से पहन सकते हैं. इस प्रकार का जो पटोला का जो कपड़ा होता है वो इस प्रकार का होता है. It's a very durable and a very good quality. और उसके लिए गुजराती में एक कहावत है, पड़ी पटोड़े भात फाटे पण फीटे नहीं. पड़ी पटोड़े भात फाटे पण फीटे नहीं. मीन्स द क्लोथ कैन बी वॉट, द क्लोथ जो कपड़ा है वो फट सकता है, बट द डिजाइन कैन इंटैक्ट, द डिजाइन कैन नॉट बी, दैट इज द डल इन दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द मटेरियल. भात का मतलब होता है डिजाइन. बात जो पड़ी पटोले बात, एक बार वो पटोले के ऊपर इस कापड़ के ऊपर डिजाइन पड़ गई, चाहे कपड़ा फट जाए, वो कपड़ा उसको चीर जाए, लेकिन फिर भी वो डिजाइन है वो इंटैक्ट नहीं होती, वो डिजाइन वैसी की वैसी रहती है. सो इट इज अ ड्यूरेबल वेरी क्वालिटी टाइप्स ऑफ द क्लोथ्स द पटोला हैज. सो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द पटोला ऑफ पाटन and the weaving and spinning work of our country. The next topic is the art of embroidery work. Embroidery work is also very famous of India. The ancient times embroidery work and today's also the embroidery work. The remnants found from the Indus Valley civilization, especially from the Harappa and the Mohenjo-daro. The idols were found there, and that idols clothes were wear, and that clothes, on that clothes there is a one kind of the special clothes is there, and that is embroidery clothes. जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाले जो कपड़े हैं वो मूर्तियों के ऊपर वो ऐसे पहनाए गए थे. That means this art is ancient art, approximately 4 to 5,000 years old. The ancient art, the embroidery art, and these types of the clothes now wearing in our country, in the Sindh Pradesh, in the Saurashtra region, in the Kutch region, in the Kashmir also region. Kashmiri kasab work is also very famous. आज भी गुजरात के जो सौराष्ट्र प्रदेश है, कच्छ प्रदेश है, वो आर्ट एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी के लिए वो बहुत ही फेमस है. द पीपल ऑफ दैट सौराष्ट्र पीपल एंड द कच्छ पीपल, द पीपल ऑफ द कच्छ आर वेरी बिजी डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटी इन द आर्ट और एम्ब्रॉयडरी एक्टिविटी. बांधनी ऑफ 4 region of the Gujarat is very famous. The Bandhani of Jamnagar, Jethpur, Bhuj and Mandvi. These 4 regions of Gujarat is famous for the Bandhani. You all of you know what is a Bandhani. It is a different colorful cloth that is called the Bandhani. It is beautiful design. The elephant, puppet, pictures, birds and that types of the designs on that Bandhani. And this Bandhani is very famous of the Gujarat, these 4 regions. Jamnagar, Jethpur, Bhuj and Mandvi. So in this region the cottage industries has also developed. The women of the Kutch region, the women of the Saurashtra region take over the cottage industries, and this the Bandhani and this kind of the embroidery industries that is has been taken over by the women of the Saurashtra and Kutch. And these women have made a different types of the materials from the art and embroidery. Toran, chakra, pillow cover, bed sheets, todalia, kedia. These types of the material, these types of the art of Gujarat, of specially region of the Saurashtra Pradesh and Kutch Pradesh is very famous in Gujarat. One important things you have to note down that the Jat community of Banni Pradesh in Kutch district of Gujarat, and this community has made a very different and a very unique type of the embroidery art and embroidery that is made by this community. That is the Jat community of Banni region of Kutch district in Gujarat. That is the we can see the very special and different types of art and embroidery of this region. So these are information regarding about the weaving, spinning and art of embroidery of our culture heritage of our India. In the next video, we will study about the leather industries, beadwork and diamond work. Thank you.